Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a wallet address on Mycelium. Your wallet address is the public key used to receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin in Mycelium wallet. You can easily choose different address types depending on compatibility and fees. First of all, launch open the Mycelium app on your Android or iOS device and make sure that it is updated. Once you're inside the wallet page of Mycelium, go ahead and tap on the account at the top that you want to receive funds in. Now from your account page, tap on the address type drop-down and then you may see other options such as legacy, SegWit, negative SegWit, etc. After you do that, select the type depending on what the sender supports, and then you will be able to see your wallet address in the text box. In order to copy the wallet address, tap the copy button, and then your wallet address will be copied in your device's clipboard. A QR code also will be displayed for easy scanning. After copying your wallet address, you can share it via email, messenger, or other apps. Always verify the address before sharing to avoid mistakes, especially for large amounts. That's how you know how you can find your Mycelium wallet address and select the appropriate address type for receiving crypto. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.